What's up guys, it's Kiskers. This year for my work Christmas party, we had a white pine workshop. It was super fun and easy. Everyone's centerpiece came out so pretty and unique. You don't need any experience to make these. I had so much fun making mine that I decided I wanted my mom to make one with me because she loves these kind of crafts just as much as I do.
Hi guys, I attend a workshop for work making like a holiday box of greenery. And it's so fun. I told my mom she has to make one. We just went in their yard and cut these tree branches from their yard. And then now we're gonna arrange it.
Here we are using a clementine box, which you'll line with plastic bag, fill it up with soil, and you just cut up the greenery pieces into different sizes and stick them in everywhere. The lighting in the center, the fairy lights, are just from Dollarama. They're $2 and use AA batteries.
My dad's job is to glue this wrapping paper over the end of the box. Here is our finished product.
My family has always taken decorating for Christmas very seriously. We even have another Christmas tree upstairs because my grandparents gave us their old one. There's definitely a lot of holiday cheer.
Hi guys, right now we are going to try the hot chocolate spoon from Sweet Lou's. It's a local bakery in Waterloo, and then I'll show you the spoons. So here's what it looks like. Comes in a package. Stir and melt in a cup of hot milk and enjoy. And then it comes with a coupon for a free cookie. So right now she told me to heat the milk on the stove rather than microwave.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Here goes my dad. He's gonna stir the spoon.
Wow.
Did anything happen? This is a little bit anticlimactic. Expected like an explosion of something.
Well, the bottom's coming out.
Oh wow.
There. That's well.
There, now that looks better. This is time consuming. Maybe I didn't have the milk hot enough.
There. It becomes a spoon at the end.
It's taking too long to dissolve. I have a bit more to go. Hold on. Mom, come try this hot chocolate.
Yours is not ready.
So I want you to
There.
do it.
Oh, now it's starting to.
Is it too sweet?
It's good.
There, Lisa, this one's
Oh,
ready.
it's ready.
Here.
Okay,
There.
yay! It became a spoon. Okay, I'm ready to try this now. It's pretty sweet, better than the powder kind. Very like flavorful and deep chocolate. My mom's asking how I discovered this place. I found it on Instagram. A lot of local shops making these hot chocolate mix-in drinks, and theirs was the best deal on Instagram. I think it was $2.99 per spoon. Most other places is like $4 or $5.99. So there you go, Sweet Lou's hot chocolate spoons.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Don't be sad, okay?
Okay.
Oh, I know what you can do. Just stir for a while, turn the thing off, and switch spoons.
That is such a good idea. This is taking forever. This is not the wonderful movie experience I imagined.
Turn it off and put it in the